Hi guys, Alex here. So in this video, I want to show you 3 custom audiences that we have used to scale our Facebook advertising campaigns and scale them very profitably. So as you can see here, that's one of the accounts that are running, and you can see the ad spend with this account was $445,000 in the last like 14-15 months, and we've generated $1,970,000 with it in sales. So I want to show you what are the main custom audiences that we have used, so you can just go and create those custom audiences for yourself, and you can run them and you can create, great ROI on your ad spend. So guys, here's the basically what we have learned. There are several custom audiences that we have tested and that have proven very, very profitable for us. So the first type of audience is lookalike audience. Lookalike audience of people that have high lifetime value. So when you have a business, and let's say you have 1,000 customers, or you have 10,000 customers, or you have 100 customers, no matter what your business is, there's always a segment of people that are buying for a bigger amount. So let's say most of the customers buy from you, let's say, and buy for $50, but since there's a segment, like there's like 10, 20, 5, maybe, I don't know, 1% of people who are buying for, let's say, $200, $300, $500. So these are like high value customers. And so what will happen as you grow your business, and if you already have your business at a certain level, you'll find that there are more and more of those customers in your business, and that you can actually find out that those people have certain things in common that other customers do not have. And so what you want to do is basically segment those people, and the way you do it is you simply go to Shopify, on whatever your e-commerce platform is. You extract a list of all of your customers, and you sort them by the value of all of their orders, or by the number of their orders. And so what you do then is you copy all of those emails, you copy all of that data, and you put it into Facebook as a custom audience. And so what will happen, guys, is you'll have this audience of people who are very, who are very profitable for your business, who are very, long-term loyal customers for your business. And so what happens next is you can create a lookalike audience out of that small audience, and you can create like big audience of people that are similar to that specific audience. And so guys, what I have found is one of the best and most profitable audiences you can find on Facebook, because this is the audience created of people who already bought from you, who trust you, and who are loyal customers. So Facebook will go and try find more of those people on their platform to get you more sales and get you more high value customers. And so that's one of the audiences you can go and use, and it's very, very productive. It makes sense if you have more of those, like if you have like several hundreds at least. Better if you have several thousands of those people to create a custom audience out of them, because the bigger the audience, the more segmented it will be, the more precise it will be. So the bigger that audience, the better. And so another audience that you can use is the lookalike of people. Lookalike of people who have been to your website. So I know this audience is one of those that like oftentimes you launch it and it will be very profitable, because this is the audience of people who have been to your website. And let's say you have 10,000 people who have been to your website, and these are not all buyers, but that audience can be highly profitable. It might depend on your specific ad account, but what we have done in testing and what we have tested, it's proven very profitable for us, because those are people that specifically, clicking on your ads and they're visiting your website. So they specifically have the interest in the niche that you want to, in specific type of products that you're selling. So these are very relevant and very good audience to target. So the third audience, guys, that I want to show you is basically the audience of people. So these are the people who have been who have added to cart. So, and using custom audiences, you can create an audience of people who added to cart on your website, and they're not necessarily buyers as well, but what I have found, sometimes this audience of people who have added to cart, this audience is bigger because there are more people who've added to carts than, for example, customers who've bought for a bigger amount. And then you create a lookalike of that audience. So again, here is a lookalike that we create out of it. And you create lookalike out of the audience and you target it, and oftentimes you'll find that this audience is very, very profitable. This audience is very, this audience is very unique, and this audience is very profitable for you. So guys, if you like more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel, and if there is something that you can get for free, the special cheat sheet that I have prepared for you, so just get it, and you'll like it because there's some valuable information inside. And guys, I'll see you in next videos. Thank you.